Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Mala Denise and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm basically showing you guys my DIY lip scrubs and body scrubs that I like to use on myself. Almost, not every day, but you know, every other day, like once in a while. So I'm basically going to show you guys all the ingredients that I use to make my lip scrub and my body scrubs. I use pure cane sugar. You can also use brown sugar. For my lip scrubs, I like to use the travel jars because you know they're kind of small. And then obviously a spoon or some type of utensil to mix it up. And then I also use peppermint oil. And then peppermint oil has a lot of good perks to it. Like, girl, it soothes and it like cools my skin. It freshens it. And then it also, you know, it's very effective against acne. So basically that means I won't really have that much acne on my skin once I use this body scrub, or once I use it again, because I kind of stopped using my own DIY body scrubs. I got kind of lazy. So yeah, all this acne on my skin got to go. So that's what I like. I like to use peppermint oil for that. And then obviously I'm showing you the insides of it. It comes with the dropper and obviously the oil. And then now the next thing I have is almond oil. And then I got that from Sally's. Yeah, it was $3 at Sally's. And then I have extra virgin olive oil. I think it was $5 at Kroger. Oh, I can't remember. And then I use markers to mark my jars. And then I use this big jar for the body scrub. So these are all the ingredients that I'm going to use for my lip scrub. I have almond oil, cane sugar, my travel jars, my markers, and a spoon. So now I'm going to take one of these travel jars and I'm going to write lip scrub on it so I know which is which. And then basically what I did was I filled the container halfway, not all the way, just halfway, because I really don't use that much of the lip scrub on my lips. So basically the lip scrub that this lip scrub I use, I spilled sugar everywhere, but I use this lip scrub to basically brighten my lips and make them both the same color, both the same tone. So then I put about 20 drops of almond oil in it and I just mix it up with my finger. So yeah, if you want your lips to be a little lighter or the same tone, I will use this lip scrub. Not every day, probably a couple times a week, or yeah, or once every week, however you prefer. I use it a couple times out the week, not every day. Gotta give your lips a break. And then these are my ingredients for my body scrub. I use the jar, the olive oil, the markers, the peppermint oil, the spoon, and the cane sugar. And like I said, you guys can also use brown sugar. It's recommended to use brown sugar, but cane sugar is like a little bit finer than regular sugar, so I like to use that on my skin. And then I basically fill this jar up pretty much halfway. I didn't measure it. I just pretty much eyeballed it because that's how much I usually use. I don't really use it all the time in the shower. And then the body scrub, I use the peppermint oil because you know it's good on my skin. Like I said, it freshens it, it cools it, all the acne gonna be gone. So yeah, and I just mix that all in there. And then I use the olive oil, and I pretty much use the olive oil for sun damage, and then it just moisturizes my skin. I don't know about anybody else's, but it moisturizes my skin. And then I basically added about 6 to 8 spoonfuls of it, and I basically mixed it until I got this consistency right here. And then that's pretty much it. This DIY was like simple, quick, easy, cheap, because El Cheapo is my middle name. But yeah, like anybody could do this. If you're just bored and want to do a quick experiment and you need some scrubs, go on and do this, girl. It's cheap. So I would like everybody to please like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.